Are you getting a server error message while trying to enter the 6-digit verification code on TikTok on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the server error issue and get your TikTok verification code working again. Let's get started. Before you begin, check these basic things. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try turning airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. If this doesn't help, let's move on to the solutions. Solution 1. Force close the TikTok app. Slide up from the bottom of your iPhone's home screen to open the app switcher. If you're using an older iPhone model, press and hold the home button. Find the TikTok app in the recent apps list. Slide the TikTok app screen upward to force close it. Now reopen TikTok and try resending the code. If the issue persists, try the next solution. Solution 2. Clear app cache. Open settings on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you can't find TikTok, tap Show All to reveal more apps. Tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload app. Confirm by tapping Offload app again. After that, tap Reinstall app. Once done, check if the error is resolved. If not, try the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Press and hold the TikTok app on your home screen. Tap Remove app. Then tap Delete app to confirm. Open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type TikTok in the search bar. And reinstall the TikTok app. After reinstalling, open TikTok and check if the problem is fixed. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Background app refresh. Tap Background app refresh again at the top. Choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back to the Background app refresh menu. Now try logging into TikTok again. If the error persists, move on to the final solution. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset network settings again. Once the reset is complete, try opening TikTok and check if the error is resolved. That's it. I hope one of the solutions helped you fix the server error issue on TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.